Today I'm in the heart of downtown Redmond to visit a local favorite restaurant and bar, Woodblock. This eclectic and rustic spot features seasonally inspired dishes and a memorable, homey experience.
It's friends, it's family, it's community, and that really is an extension of who they are.
Very high-end food, but a super casual, homey atmosphere.
I think it's one of the best restaurants in Redmond for sure.
A very modern version of a classic neighborhood bar.
General Manager Eric Armentrout and his staff focus on using local, seasonal ingredients to make their food special.
You know, you look at bar food or cocktails in general, and both it's like, can we make it a little bit better, or do we just bring in better ingredients to make the best version of the original?
I would say everything is always fresh.
It's very farm to table. I feel like it's made in ways that are kind of traditional, but yet also kind of like creative.
The rotation of the menu, there's always something new, there's always something fresh.
Woodblock is also well known for its creative and award-winning craft cocktails.
And so Woodblock actually won, like, Best Cocktail for something?
Yeah, 425 magazine, best cocktail bar on the east side.
I love the craft cocktails. It's really what brings me back. They have a lot of variety.
Tony has probably one of the best whiskey selections in all of Redmond.
It sounds like you have fun.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's food, it's beverage.